Hey, ninth grade. This is Mrs. Poncelet, and I wanted to talk to you today about the ninth grade community project. Over the past several years, we've seen people inspired and moved to take action around important causes, such as racial justice, through art and murals, through marches and public statements. We've also seen people move to take action on climate change or other important issues that face us, like homelessness and food justice. There have been major pushes and drives to support people in the community. People have been moved to act during these difficult times, and this is your chance to take action. For the ninth grade community project, consider this the capstone of your IB middle years program, a consolidation of all you've learned over the last few years. As ninth graders, you will plan, complete, and reflect upon a service project of your own design. It's really a time for you to live out that part of our mission statement, which is how you are empowered learners who create a better world. So it's a time for you to think about what are your passions and talents and how can you use those to make a positive change in the world. So you get to control a lot of this. You get to choose and take control over your learning. You'll choose who you work with in a group of up to 3 people. You'll decide on a cause you want to address and the action that you want to take. And then you'll present your process, your learning, and your successes. This is going to take place over the next several months. So it's really living out that design cycle. We'll start investigating in November and December. You'll be planning, taking action, and reflecting. And your final project will be due at the end of April. We'll get to present these at a community night in the beginning of May. So you want to think about what are your passions and talents. And you can learn from last year's ninth graders who did projects on helping the Ukraine, on ending police brutality, on working with young children with crafts. Some students were really passionate about animals or had a heart for senior citizens and did some things, some community action around that or around literacy and book collection, or even around sports and making a developing community through youth sports. So, we are going to have some guest speakers come in, and this is how you can help today. Take this quick survey as we plan on having guest speakers from our community come in as we kick off our community project.